guys, this is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I wanted to continue for February just the theme of love. And so I have this set of cardstock stickers. They're older, from Doodlebug Designs, and it's called Color of Love. And so I had a few stickers left. I've only used a couple in there. So I want to use this in my entry. And then I have my Create 365 pads here that I will use some of the functional stickers in here. And of course the numbers out of that, and maybe some of the other ones in there as well. And then I have these three washi tapes here. They're sparkly colors that I thought went really well, and these I believe were all from the Target dollar spot. So let me get stuff cleared off here and we will get started. Alright guys, so here's my final spread. I think it turned out super colorful. There's a lot going on this page, I know, and it probably didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it to, but I love the colors, and it is supposed to be color your world with love. That was the theme of the sticker pack. So anyway, I think it'll be fine. No big deal. Just I'll fill it in with all different colors of pen when I write in the things that I have to do. So anyway, I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hello to all my new subscribers. Come back on Wednesday for a Bible journaling video. Tomorrow I will have another crafty kind of video. Also, Thursday and Friday will be crafty videos, so come back for those, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.